It's like I told you, my dog is like a pit bull. And now he's just, my dog is wild. Watch. Oh, what the? There we go, there we go. Are you trying to bite it? Oh. He just put this hole right here. Like his mouth. And then he tried to yank my shirt off. And he was just biting the carpet, doing this and trying to like pick it up, even though it's close to the floor. And also he's a scared cat. And whenever he's licking my fingers, he tries to put it inside his mouth because he wants to bite it. He's training right now by himself. His dog's on sale, but we're keeping the other one. That's what I'm saying. Well, I want to keep this one too. This one's adorable. Adorbs. No, I'm just kidding. He's not for sale. I'm happy though. Awesome. I'm about to go wake up my big brother and tell him to take the dog out. The other two dogs. And we have 3 dogs right now. I'll tell him to take out the other 2 dogs because they slept with him. And I kept this one with me, my little brother right now. It's tiny. I told him last night to take off the jeans. We are sleeping with jeans. Because I slept on the top bunk, he slept on the bottom. And then he got up to turn to the lights. I said to take off his pants and put on like pajamas or something. Even though I don't wear pajamas, I just wear like random things minus only like basketball kind of shorts. Yeah, this is any type of shirt. This is like long sleeve and like party shirt. So I thought this also so calm. Either he looks to cuddle me, or he's trying to try to bite my neck. And he's scared. Earlier he just went under the bed. Right now, I fell asleep on my bunk bed, but sometimes it's hot up there. So, it's been a little blanket for me, my little puppy. On the floor. When I made him to lay down on this ground and off on the inside, and I made like a little passage, and now he's just on the carpet. He can hold, but he's scared unless he's comfortable, like with another person. So I'm about to go pick up my brother, and when I come back, he'll be under the bed. So he just be looking nervous. Check it out. You go wake him up, brother. Yeah, I already looks nervous. Kind of. Oh, you guys want to see the other dogs right there? Oh, you guys can't see his two colors. It's so blue. Don't be scared. Do my dog bites now? Where's Smoke? Dude, my dog was trying to bite my finger. Hey, look. I think he did this, look.
Look. He tries to bite too, but he can't bite. Look.
Oh, he's scared to bite.
No, he was biting your toes and your shoe. Why do you think your shoe was in first?
Dude, my dog was biting the carpet off like this, look. And also, he was biting my pillow. He was biting my fingers. He was biting
Because
right
they
here. I know he right here started pulling.
Yeah, they want to bite stuff.
I know that's why I did this.
You do, you
And
do.
he started my chin
Bite.
with the nipples.
Somewhere down
Let me try this. Oh, super suck. No, I love you too. Come on. Oh. Good? Okay. So when I got out of the bed, Ryzen kind of took out the blankets. For some reason, I don't know who put it on there, and he was already awake. To wake him up, because, like, no. 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 He was too scared to move. He's still there. Well, I actually moved a little bit, but I was like, just making something. What? Why is he stealing? Why are you always biting? But the other dog wants you to see his two colors. Yeah. That's kind of good, because I just made a video saying, if the airbag is 10 legs, I'll show you guys his true colors. And that's all.